Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you where you can find the Help Center in your SimpleFX app. Go to the More section and tap on Support. Inside, you will find answers to frequently asked questions. Understand trading terms with our glossary. Watch more tutorials like this. Go through a step-by-step app guide. Or chat with live support agents. Now you know where to find the Help Center in your SimpleFX app. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day and a good trade.